Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today, I'm excited to share my hands-on review. Looking for the perfect mirror dash cam to upgrade your car's safety and style? In this video, we're counting down the top 5 mirror dash cams that combine sleek design with powerful features. Let's dive in. Number 5. The Asdome PG17 Max 4K plus 2.5K mirror dash cam and breaks down its features with clarity and hands-on visuals. From the sharp 12-inch touchscreen interface to the dual-channel recording in Ultra HD, front 4K, rear 2.5K, everything is covered in a concise and informative manner. The demo of the 5 GHz Wi-Fi connection and built-in voice control shows just how user-friendly this device is, making it easy to access footage and control the cam hands-free. Features like ADAS, Advanced Driver Assistance System, BSD, blind spot detection, and LCA, lane change assist, are explained clearly, adding real value for safety-conscious drivers. The installation walkthrough is helpful, especially for those who prefer DIY setups. The video quality examples, both day and night, are a highlight, showing crisp detail and reliable performance. Overall, the review is well-paced, packed with insights, and answers most questions a potential buyer might have. Highly recommended if you're looking to understand the real-world performance of this advanced mirrored dash cam. Number 4. The Pelsee P12 Plus 4K Rearview mirror camera is worth your attention, and this video gives a thorough look at why. The review clearly showcases a camera's sleek design and high-resolution 4K front plus 1080p rear recording, which delivers crisp video day or night. The inclusion of GPS, ADAS, Advanced Driver Assistance System, and BSD, blind spot detection, adds layers of safety that go beyond traditional dash cams. The demo section is particularly useful, showing real-world footage that helps viewers understand the benefits of features like lane departure warning and motion detection. The 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi connection is a standout. It makes video transfers quick and reliable, and the free 64 GB card included is a thoughtful touch. This video balances specs, installation tips, and performance impressions really well. The voiceover is clear and informative, and the visuals are sharp and well-edited. Whether you're a car tech enthusiast or just want peace of mind on the road, this video provides a trustworthy breakdown of the P12 Plus's features and value. Number 3. The upgraded 10-foot rear view mirror dash cam. Video camera if you're looking to upgrade your driving safety and convenience. This upgraded 10-inch rear view mirror dash cam is a game changer. In this video, I walk you through the features that make this product stand out. First off, the full HD 1080p front and rear dual camera setup delivers clear footage day and night, while the 10-inch full touchscreen adds a premium feel and easy navigation. The video quality is impressive, even in low light, thanks to its built-in night vision. The G sensor ensures that footage from incidents is automatically locked and protected, which is essential for insurance claims or post-accident review. I also appreciated the loop recording functionality, which seamlessly overwrites old files to keep storage fresh without manual interference. The installation was straightforward, and the camera fit well over the existing rear view mirror, without looking bulky. The responsive touchscreen made it easy to switch between front and rear views. Plus, playback right on the screen is super handy. Whether you're a daily commuter or rideshare driver, this cam is worth considering. Check out the video for full setup tips, day/night driving footage, and a full breakdown of why this dash cam is such a smart upgrade. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you find it helpful. Automobile movie camera. Number 2, the Wolfbox G930 10-foot rear view mirror camera, and it was super informative. The walkthrough of the 4K front and rear cameras really helped me appreciate the image clarity, especially with the WDR feature that enhances low-light visibility. I liked how you clearly explained the setup process and highlighted the 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, which ensures faster video transfers. The touch screen responsiveness and sleek interface of the mirror were well demonstrated. I also found the parking assist and loop recording features to be practical and easy to understand thanks to your visual examples. It would be even better if there were a short comparison to similar models or a nighttime test clip to show low-light performance in real time. Overall, your video is clear, helpful, and great for anyone considering the Wolfbox G930. Number 1, the Veement 4K Rearview mirror camera, and I have to say, this dash cam really stands out. The 10-inch touch display is crisp and responsive, offering a wide view that makes both driving and reversing much safer. The front 4K camera captures crystal clear footage, even in low-light conditions, while the 1080p backup camera handles rear views with solid clarity. One of the best features? Voice control. It's intuitive and reliable, letting you lock videos or take photos without lifting a finger. Perfect for keeping your hands on the wheel. The installation was straightforward, and it fits over most existing mirrors without looking bulky. The 24-hour parking monitoring is a great touch, giving peace of mind when your car is unattended. It records incidents automatically if it detects motion or a collision. In my video, I go through setup, test day/night footage, and show real-world performance. So definitely check it out if you're considering a smart dash cam upgrade. Overall, Veement delivers excellent value and functionality in a sleek package.